Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And another thing we need to do is to allow the notification access for the Zepp application if we want this feature to work. The easiest way to allow the notification access for the Zepp application is to open the Zepp application. Once you open it, you will see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon, find your Amazfit Bip S on the list, tap on it. Here, find the option called App Alerts and tap on it. And if you don't have the notification access enabled for this app or allowed for this app, you will see the warning message right here at the top, but we need to wait until the watch is done syncing. And as you can see, we have the warning message right here. You can tap on it. It will redirect you to the page right here, the notification access page. On the newer Android, it's gonna be called something else on the Android 12 and above. But basically, what we need to do right here is to find the Zepp application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access for the Zepp application, we can control the music on our phone with the watch. So let's open some kind of music player. I'm gonna open YouTube, but you can use anything you like. Then let's search for some music. So let's open the playlist, maybe this one, and start playing it. Okay, now to control the music with our watch, we need to wake up the screen on it by pressing the side button, then press it again to open the menu. Now we can scroll through the menu, find the option called the music, and tap on it. And as you can see, we entered the music controls menu, and here we can control our music. We can tap on the pause and play button to pause and play the music. We can tap on next to go to the next song. We can tap on previous to go to the previous song. Come on. Like this. We can increase and decrease the volume by tapping on the volume buttons. And that's about it. That's what you can do with the music controls menu. And once you're done controlling the music, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also open the music controls by swiping down from the top of the screen on the home screen, like this, and tapping on the music control icon, and it will open the music control menu. Okay, and that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.